So hey guys, welcome back to my new YouTube video. In this video, I am going to show you how to download your Form 26AS for any of the assessment tier on a single click of button using MS Excel, which we use in our daily day-to-day life. So in during my CA articleship period, as I am a CA student, currently I am doing an CA articleship, and during my CA articleship period, I was amazed at how some automated software, for example, like Computex and CompuBell, control some automated softwares like income tax e-filing website, Traces TDS website, Ministry of Corporate Affairs website, and do the functions as a user do it manually in a routine. So I went through Google and found some amazing Excel tool called VBA. In VBA, I used Selenium WebDriver tool through which I coded an Excel sheet and automated a Google web page through which you can download your Form 26AS on a single click of button. You will get this link in the description box. Open it in Google. See, this is the file. It will open in Google Docs. So download it in Excel format. Go to File, click Download. It is a macro-enabled workbook. So click Microsoft Excel.xlsm. So its format is XLSM. So here we download in the desktop. See, the file is down macro-enabled worksheet. So guys, here's the file. Here is the file which we downloaded. See, it is a Microsoft Excel macro-enabled worksheet. So open it. See, Microsoft has blocked the macros from running because the source of this file is untrusted. So we have to disable the macros. Cut the file, right click it, go to properties and unblock this. Apply. Okay. We are good to go. Open the Excel file. We don't want to open this as read only file. So click no. So here we are good to go. First go to instructions sheet. So here are some basic instructions which I have written. Please go through it and read this carefully. If you find you have to download your Chrome driver from its official site. Here is I have given the link with the Selenium WebDriver tool. You can download it from here, and I highly recommend to watch this YouTube tutorial from Wiseout YouTube channel in order to successfully run this code. Or if sometimes you may face an automation error. I was also faced this, so I downloaded .NET framework from this YouTube video. You can watch this YouTube video. So basically go through these instructions and you will able to successfully run this code. Now come here. You have to enter your user ID, that is your 10-digit PAN number allotted to you, and here you want to enter your income tax profile password. Make sure you entered your user ID and password in correct format. Now for which assessment here you have to download your 26AS, select from this list. Don't type it manually because it is a macro enabled worksheet. If you type it manually, the code would not recognize it. So select from this list. So I want to download 26AS for assessment year 22-23, that is financial year 21-22. So I select 22-23. Now I was going to show you the code, VBA code. Go to developers. Some users will not find this developer tab in their Excel sheet. So how to enable this, I am going to tell you. Come to file, click more, go to options and customize ribbon. So here you have to take your developer tab. See, if you disable this, you will not get your VBA page. So enable it and click OK. Now come to developer tab, Visual Basic. See, this is the VBA tab. Open it and use a password. Click on Form 26AS in order to successfully download your Form 26AS. See, it will routinely log in as a user, manually do it and successfully download your 26AS in your download folder within a seconds without any hassle. See, it is doing automatic. Just like a user do it manually, the Excel do it for you on a single click of button. And boom, your 26AS will be on your download folders. See, it will select the assessment here as we enter in Excel 2022-23. See, 26AS is downloaded. It will automatically log out and close the Chrome window. Now we can see our download folder. Now come here, downloads. See, here is your 26AS 18th November को. See, here is your 26AS, full 26AS as a user do it manually. Thanks. Your 26AS is downloaded successfully. Please check your download folders. Okay. So guys, thanks for watching my video. In some upcoming videos, I will try to explore more about Excel, VBA, web automation, and come up with some new exciting topics